Hello everyone, today I have this old Zeiss Ikon lock for you. You can see it's a little battered and bruised. That's probably because it's been in use a lot. Here on the other side you can read it a little better, that it's a Zeiss Ikon. I got the other side already because this has an unusual cam mechanism that I will show you at the end of the video. Until then, let's see what it takes to get inside the other side. This is the key that came with it. You can see it has a lot of wear, and that's probably because on this tag it says Alter Laden, which is German for old shop. So this must have been the lock for someone's old shop. Apparently they didn't need it anymore, so they sent it off to me. And now we'll have a look inside and see how well secured his old shop had been. Alright, pin 1, little click, pin 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, nothing yet, 5, it's binding, pretty sure. Got it. Nothing on 4, 3, field set actually. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Got it. A little bit of a false set. No, nothing on 5, 4, 3 is binding. Not entirely sure if I got it, but I think so. Field set now. Nothing on 1, 2, 3. Touched 4 a little bit. Got me a little bit more movement on the core. Nothing on. Let me try again. Nothing on 5. 4 is binding, I believe. Counter rotation. Got it, but I lost something else. Nothing on 5, 3, 1. Nothing on 2 or 3, 4 now. That was the warning. Still 4. Still 4. Got it now. And 5. Alright, looks like we have to deal with some of the spools a couple of times. 4 now. I think I lost it. Yeah. There was certainly something coming back up. 1. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. 4 again. Little click. 5 again. And we're open. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Not too easy either for a 5-pinner. So let's have a look at what's inside. Let's have a look at what we found. Let me get you a little closer in on the action. All right. Here's what we got our hands on. And when I said something special about the springs, this is what I was talking about. These springs, come on, focus, have ball bearings in them, or some kind of metal-ish ball. I think this is supposed to do something against bumping, but I'm entirely unsure how it works. Maybe someone knows someone who made a video on that. Please let me know down below. Then for the pins, those are the spools in chambers 2, 3, and 4. And as I said, in 1 and in 5, or rather in 1 and in 5, there were standard pins. We didn't have a look at the core yet. Let me just dump those out from front to back. And it looks like we got some wafers. If you can see that. That looks like a wafer, master wafer to me. All right. Yes, there was a master wafer 1 and a steel anti-drill pin as well. 2 was, it looks like there's a really big wafer on it, or it's just a key pin with, no. Have a look at this. It's a key pin. It's not a wafer, it doesn't come off. It's a key pin with a groove in it, a little serration in there. All right. Number 3. Also unmastered. Number 4 is mastered, which is a shame. Would have made more sense to wafer the chambers that are standard anyway instead of the security chambers. But number 1, that was the case. In number 4, that wasn't the case. But obviously they need to fit it to the key. Sometimes they don't have the luxury, but then you could also just repin it so that the standard pins matched, the wafers match the security pins. So if I zoom here in a little bit, that's all about this lock. Now I told you about the cam mechanism. As you can see, this core has some weird drilling going on at the end and has this metal plate. And if we hold the other half of the core next to it, that is the other half, you can see that it's the same idea. And in between, you have the cam that doesn't have any grooves, but it has a hole in it. The hole is to hold it together with this pin. That's all that's holding it together. And in between the two parts, you have this thing. It's going to be fun to put that back together and see how it works. I'm going to put it back together and then I'll see you. Well, anyway, thanks for your time. Thanks for having a look at this really interesting mechanism, and see you in the next one. Manipulator says bye-bye.